Okay, let's create like Twitter Bootstrap farm, and to show I've just pulled the style sheet of Bootstrap and the script, the jQuery and the Bootstrap script from the Twitter Bootstrap. Just copy it and just paste it. Okay, let's create a container. Container and container a row class and call call md 8 call md 8 and in it uh, let's create farm group, and farm group a label for email and give it email and set it. Let's set the label class call md 8 and 2 and input under uh, class call md 6. Here the input field and type text and class farm control name email and value, and let's see if we want to see the farm submitted value when we submit the form, and it will remain in the field text. All and what we want to display the error. So if errors, which is the default array of error, if error has email and we want a span class help help block and strong and print the errors, which is errors first error, and that's it. I think so. Let's check it. So parse error, syntax error, unexpected end of file, expecting else if. So we didn't end the if, and if, and so we have a form and not a submit button. So div class and the create a class form group, and input type submit class button primary. Check it. We have a form email, and when we hit submit, so okay, so we have a where it is the form div class row form group email, and under this form group email just create a form to put our farm action, which is our route email, and method post, and put all the code into this farm. Put it in the farm action route email method post, and just enter our CSRF field CSRF field to ensure it. And we have a route batch, which is email name email, and we are accessing our this farm request into how to validate the farm email required email, and it is getting from our validation. We have a custom validation email required, this email field is required, and email. Okay, let's see it and submit the form. So you see the email field is required. And other thing, let's highlight the inbox. So div class md div class farm group, where it is this div class farm group, and let's print dollar errors. If errors has email, and this is the ternary operator we are using, ternary condition. And if error has this class, if if error has email, then make it the div class has error, and otherwise do nothing. If error has email, make it the class has error. If not, then empty string. So parts are unexpected bracket. Okay, so now good. Refresh and hit. So the email field is required, but it is not. Farm group, if errors has email, if error has email and has error, otherwise empty string. Mm,